Drunk Nawab is lying in his house.
He has finished every bottle of his wine.
All the bottles in his wine are finished when
The publisher comes to get his writing.
Bullhead, it's me, Nawab Sahab. I've come for my writing. They come in. You have so many writings here, Nawab Sahab. Another business is so big. All these bottles they writing. Except this one. What's in this one now? This poison. You want to eat? I will go now, Nawab Sahab. You better be. I forgot my name, Nawab Sahab. Just go away. Enough of this. I can't bear this, God. Why can't I relax, God? Why can't I relax? What have I done, God? I didn't kill him intentionally. Still, his face haunts me, God. His face haunts me in the night. I can't relax, God. Please forgive me, God. Enough, God. Enough. Today, I'll make a decision. Today, I'll find out who is guilty. I'll find out who is guilty.
Nawab convenes the court. The two imaginations of his mind, his projections, come into the Nawab's house. One represents the guilt of Nawab, and another believes that Nawab is innocent.
March 1938. Let the first hearing begin.
Another hearing, another date, Nawab. What mockery is this? You convene the court every day, get no verdict. The murderer is standing right in front of you, Nawab. Just sentence him to death.
I'm not a killer. How many times I have to tell you I didn't kill him intentionally, he came in my way.
Nawab, he is a murderer. Nawab, don't you remember the verse of Holy Quran? Whoever kills soul unless for a soul, or for corruption done in the land. It is as if he had slain mankind entirely. And this murderer had done similar, my lord.
I didn't kill him, he came in my way. Silence. I told you.
Nawab, I thought that there were still some honest people like you who can stand with honesty. But now, I'm sure that I am hopeless. Your pen still will remain empty. Your paper will still go empty. And this murder will still go without any culprit.
Society knows when you kill someone in a hurry, it's not a crime, it was a mistake. Accidents happen every day, but they are not punished. But why me? Why me?
Nawab, this kind of accidents is up to thousands of days. But Nawab, they are all in jail. They are being sentenced to death. But this murderer is openly moving on this earth, Nawab.
I didn't kill him by innocent. My Allah knows I'm innocent. My Allah knows I'm innocent.
Nawab, he is a murderer. Just go away.
You know what, Nawab? Every day you convey this court. Every day you call us. What do you do? Nothing. Just waste of time. Every day I come here and tell you how it all happened. You know what? Let me show you again how it all happened. Then you will decide who's guilty.
And this is how it happened.
Yeah, we had a fight few days back. But I know. You know what? I want to live with him. He's my brother. Not you, but he must have brother. But he doesn't understand. He's actually sometimes.
What's up? There is a rival strike. People are killing each other. Your own rival Sultan is coming to kill you.
Who's coming?
Sultan, his own rival is coming. Go, get Gandhi and someone quickly.
No!
Flashback over.
You see, I didn't kill him intentionally. He came in my way. I was not going to kill him.
Nawab, don't bother him. He is just emotionally blackmailing you. He's a murderer. He's a murderer.
You don't understand.
I don't want to see your face. Just go.
Silence. Just enough of you two. You have been confusing me over years. Just go away. Just don't confuse me more. Just go away. Just go away.
Nawaz's brother comes to Nawaz's dream. He haunts him.
वीडियो पकड़ 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 लेना यार पकड़
Look, Nawab, what are you doing? Sleeping peacefully after killing me? Don't you remember what you did to me 8 years ago, Nawab? What you did to me 8 years ago? Even though, Nawab, we were not brothers by blood, nevertheless, we were brothers with God. I treated you, I respected you, I cared for you like a true brother. But what did you do to me in return? What did you do to me, Nawab? All that I was, I came there to save you, to help you, rescue you. But what did you give to me in return? Nothing, nothing, nothing. Pain, pain, pain. Before you raised a sword upon me, you didn't think of all the memories we spent together, Nawab? All the memories we spent together? Before you raised a sword, don't you think of all those times? It was not a mistake, Nawab. It was not a mistake. You killed me intentionally. You killed me intentionally. Nawab, you are a murderer. You are a murderer. You are a murderer. And you will be punished, punished, punished.
करना है शहादत
The publisher comes back to get his writings.
Nawab Sahab, my writings. Thank you, Nawab Sahab. Oh, I almost forgot. There's that poor man waiting outside for you. Should I send him in? Send him in.
What is it, Nawab Sahab? What have you done to yourself? What about these bottles? What about your jacket? I was your servant 8 years ago, Nawab Sahab. Don't you remember? Yeah. You not look good. What is it? I remember that day, Nawab Sahab. It was an accident. You killed your brother.
But still I get my brother.
I know you can't forget yourself. I was looking for you for 8 years. I had to give something to you.
God for you.
I got a letter for you from your brother.
He died.
No, before he died, a day before he came to me to deliver this letter to you. I found you, I searched for you for 8 years, but I could not get you. Take care, Nawab Sahab. I have to go.
Dear brother Nasir, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are finding doing your work. I thought of writing an early, but could not muster up my courage. I think we should forget our disputes and move on. I know I was more responsible for the mistake, but treat me again like your brother. Look, we are the only ones left of our family, and we have to continue our family's name. How is it possible to keep on fighting? Let's get together and live like brothers, and relive those memories once again, Nawab. Relive those memories once again. I really love and respect you, my brother. I'm going to meet you in a few days, and I hope you will be glad to see you. Allah Hafiz, take care.
What have I done? What have I done? I killed my brother. It's enough. It's enough. Today is judgment day. Today I'll make the final decision. I'll give the final verdict. I know who is guilty, and I'll give the punishment.
Nawab convenes the court one more time to end his pain, to end his suffering, and to bring justice for his brother's blood.
March 1938, the final hearing of the case of Jawab's murder. Let the hearing final time begin.
Another day, same place, same murder, and you same Nawab, hopeless? I am pretty much sure that this pen will not write a name on this paper. This paper will still remain empty, and this murder will walk freely on this earth.
I'm not a killer.
You are a killer!
I'm innocent.
You are a killer!
I'm not a killer.
It has been enough. I have seen enough of you guys. Now it is time that only I will speak. And I have made my decision. Final verdict. In the case of Nawab's brother being killed, I find Nawab guilty and sentence him to death. And that is an order.